All right, we got spot gold advancing and making an attempt to break through key resistance. But before we go further, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNES, the world's largest retail broker, offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find a link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire taking a look at the daily chart for gold. So we had gold is bouncing off. Let me just get this straightened out. Gold is bouncing off the bottom of this long-term rising channel and the 200. I'm sorry. Let me step back. So we got gold establishing a higher swing low here at the A point, 4,099, and that was a bounce off the 200 blue simple moving average. So the 200 daily moving average. We found support and rallied. We had one rally, zooming in now, one rally up into resistance at the blue, light blue, 100 period moving average. And it's been support since way back here in October 2023. So break through support, tested as resistance. It was resistance, pulled back, generates a higher swing low, and then breaks out above that today. And breaks out above the 100 period moving average and stops at prior support, becomes resistance at the top channel line. However, since this ABCD pattern is broken out and the red 10-day simple moving average has clearly been recovered after being recognized as resistance with yesterday's high, there's a good chance some of these higher targets might be reached. The highest target zone is going to be the initial 100% projection for this ABCD pattern at 4,874 and up to the orange 50 moving average at 4,955 currently. The orange 50 moving average was trend support for quite a while for the near-term trend since August. And so it certainly should be tested as resistance at some point. Whether that's going to happen now or not, we'll have to see, but it certainly could given this analysis. And then that target is joined very closely by the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement at 4,900. But first, there's this first target zone, which is anchored by the 50% retracement. I'm going to take this out just to avoid confusion. Well, I didn't get, okay, it's right here at the 4,750 zone. So that's the next area that has to be busted through on the way to the 20 moving average. But the 20 is not as significant as the 50. The 20 should just be a rest stop on the way up, currently at 4,820. Notice there's this falling parallel trend channel I've added on to the chart. If you're a regular follower, we could say that overall the top line is a potential target since we're bouncing and reversing off the bottom of the channel. Doesn't mean we'll hit it, but there is the potential to hit it. But that increases the chance that these lower levels might be hit. All right, that is it for gold traders. Have a great week.